Hey everyone, this is Al Baknazir, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at FB Automation. Welcome back to our series on government contract planning, where we will be talking about project status reports or project PSR reporting. Before I get into today's video topic, I want to quickly recap in our previous video where we covered the project P&L output, which is essentially an output of all of our direct labor, non-labor, indirect labor, and revenue planning that we've been doing for all projects holistically across the business. In this video, this is meant to showcase to you how Power BI can be leveraged as a tool for you to create custom reports that allow you to have your project-ready project status reports ready to go for your auditors, the DCAA, or any sort of individual, whether internal or external, that needs this reporting in order to understand where you stand. So in our case right here, we can actually see, for example, our projects, the current budget, the actuals to date, the estimate to completion, estimate at completion, and then variances here. We can also see an actual versus forecast projection month by month to understand where we stand quarter by quarter. This can be done across the board for many different projects. So if I wanted to, for example, look at, let's say, project number 2, I can flip to project number 2 and immediately see a report for project number 2 to understand where we stand on here. This is something that can continually be created for your organization so that your team is prepared to be able to deliver the required reports needed for the DCAA if you're in defense contracting, or for any sort of auditors that may be required to be able to see your information to understand what all-in costs look like for projects and how exactly you're getting to your numbers so that there's full transparency. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video right here. Again, the idea is to highlight to you that it is possible to be able to have these audit-ready reports in place. These can be fully customized in order for you to have the necessary reporting you need in a necessary format to deliver to your auditors, or have necessary data you need to craft in a separate system so that you can leverage that very easily at your fingertips in one location as your team is going through planning. So thank you, and this is Alp signing out.